Hey everyone, welcome back. We're diving into the history, culture, and awesomeness of the USA. Get ready for 50 surprising facts. Let's go. Pop quiz. What's the official language of the United States? English, right? Well, there isn't one. The US has never declared an official language. English is widely spoken, but the US is a melting pot of languages. The United States has the world's largest economy. From Wall Street to Silicon Valley, American innovation has a global impact. This strength shapes the global landscape in countless ways. Can you imagine a world without the internet? We have the US to thank for this. In the 1960s, ARPANET, funded by the US Department of Defense, sowed the seeds of the internet. This network paved the way for today's interconnected world. The American flag, a symbol of freedom and unity. It's gone through 27 versions. From 13 stars to 50, it evolved with the nation. The concept of national parks was born in the USA. Yellowstone, established in 1872, is the world's first national park. Some natural wonders are too precious not to protect. The United States is a geographical wonder, boasting diverse climate zones. From California's sunny beaches to the Rocky Mountains' snowy peaks, this country has it all. Get ready to chant, USA, USA! The United States brings its A-game to the Olympics. With a medal count that outshines all others, the US proves its athletic prowess. American athletes inspire with their dedication and talent. Imagine a library so vast it holds the title of the largest in the world. That's the Library of Congress. Located in Washington, D.C., it's a treasure trove of history and creativity. Remember the wonder of your first airplane flight? Thank the Wright brothers for making that dream real. In 1903, their Kitty Hawk flight transformed travel, a testament to human ingenuity and big dreams. Hollywood, synonymous with glamour and movie magic, has impacted global cinema. From the golden age to today's blockbusters, American films captivate audiences worldwide. The Great Lakes, 5 interconnected freshwater lakes, hold 20% of the world's surface freshwater. They play a crucial role in the ecosystem, transportation, and millions of lives. The United States is a land of diverse and breathtaking landscapes protected by the National Park Service. With 59 national parks, there's an adventure for everyone. Carved into the granite face of the Black Hills, Mount Rushmore is an iconic symbol of American history. Behind the faces lies a secret chamber for important documents and artifacts. Who doesn't love a good slice of pizza? In the US, pizza is a cultural phenomenon. From thin crust to deep dish, pizza holds a special place in American hearts. Millions of pizzas are consumed every day. We've all cracked open a fortune cookie at the end of a Chinese meal. But here's a twist. It wasn't invented in China. This crunchy treat has its roots in the United States. Route 66, stretching over 2,400 miles from Chicago to Santa Monica, is more than just a road. It's a symbol of American adventure. Its legacy lives on, drawing road trippers eager to retrace its historic path. The United States is often called the land of opportunity, where dreams can be achieved through hard work. The US has the most billionaires, highlighting economic disparity. It's a complex issue needing attention. Born in New Orleans, jazz is a uniquely American art form. Emerging in the late 19th century, it blends blues, ragtime, and European traditions. The United States Constitution, signed in 1787, is the oldest written national constitution still in use. It established the framework for American democracy, outlining citizens' rights and freedoms. Its principles model democratic movements worldwide. Standing tall in New York Harbor, the Statue of Liberty is a beacon of hope. Presented to the United States in 1886 by France, it represents the friendship between the two nations. The United States has a complex history with its prison system, facing serious questions about mass incarceration and racial disparities. It demands a closer look at sentencing guidelines and rehabilitation programs. From the garages of tech pioneers to sprawling campuses, Silicon Valley is synonymous with innovation. This hub has birthed some of the world's most influential tech companies. When it comes to corn, the United States reigns supreme. As the world's largest producer, the U.S. plays a crucial role in global food security. Corn is a versatile crop with a significant economic impact. Rising high above New York City, the Empire State Building stands as a testament to architectural ingenuity. Completed in 1931, its rapid construction symbolized American determination during the Great Depression. From the rainforests of the Pacific Northwest to the deserts of the Southwest, the United States boasts incredible ecosystem diversity, crucial for maintaining biodiversity and our planet's health. Before Washington, D.C., Philadelphia was the first U.S. capital. From 1790 to 1800, it witnessed crucial moments in early American history. With advanced aircraft, the U.S. Air Force is the largest and most technologically advanced in the world. It plays a crucial role in national security. Juicy, customizable, and a staple of American cuisine, the hamburger. Its origins are debated, but it's a culinary icon. From fast food chains to gourmet burger joints, its popularity endures. The United States is home to a vast and diverse higher education system, boasting the highest number of colleges and universities globally. This focus has made the U.S. a leader in research and innovation. It's a testament to the power of education to transform lives. One small step for man, one giant leap for mankind, marked a pivotal moment in history, a testament to human ingenuity. Flowing over 2,300 miles, the Mississippi River is the second longest in the U.S., crucial in history, commerce, and culture. The United States, particularly Tornado Alley, experiences the highest number of tornadoes. These violent, rotating columns of air cause significant damage and pose a serious threat to life and property. Deep beneath Fort Knox, Kentucky, lies the largest gold reserve, a testament to the country's economic strength and stability. From Hollywood blockbusters to independent films, the U.S. film industry is a global powerhouse, generating billions annually. American films captivate audiences worldwide, influencing culture and political discourse. Its success is due to storytelling and technology. Ever been in a state where it's both 10 a.m. and 11 a.m.? That's Arizona, which doesn't observe daylight saving time. A unique situation for those near the border. The United States was the first to establish a national park service, recognizing the importance of protecting natural wonders. Founded in 1916, the National Park Service manages over 400 parks and sites. The U.S. Constitution, over 200 years old, balances individual liberties with the need for order. From IPAs to stouts, the U.S. is a haven for craft beer enthusiasts. With the most craft breweries in the world, small breweries experiment with unique flavors. This revolution has created jobs and boosted local economies. With a global presence and advanced warships, the United States Navy is the largest and most powerful. Tasked with protecting national interests, the Navy ensures security and global trade. The United States consumes more petroleum than any other country. This reliance fuels the economy but has significant consequences. The U.S. must reduce its dependence on fossil fuels and explore alternatives. From forests to suburbs, deer are now common across the U.S. The U.S. has the largest deer population with 30 million white-tailed deer. Managing them is complex, involving ecological, economic, and ethical issues. The United States is home to some of the tallest and most iconic skyscrapers. These vertical cities shape skylines and represent commerce and culture. The United States boasts the largest GDP in the world, showcasing its economic strength. Driven by natural resources, skilled workforce, and innovation, the U.S. plays a key role in the global market. The United States has the most airports in the world. This network connects people and goods, facilitating trade and tourism. The high number of airports shows the country's reliance on air travel. The United States has the most Nobel Prize winners, showcasing its contributions to science, literature, peace, and economics. From Einstein to Martin Luther King Jr., American laureates have made groundbreaking discoveries and advanced human rights. From the Statue of Liberty to Yellowstone, the U.S. boasts diverse UNESCO sites, showcasing rich history and natural beauty. The United States has the largest consumer market, driving global trends and innovation. This power comes with responsibilities, including ethical and sustainable choices. The United States leads in medical technology and research, developing life-saving drugs and pioneering surgical techniques. The U.S. is at the forefront of medical innovation, driven by world-class institutions and professionals. The United States has always been a nation of immigrants, a melting pot of cultures. With the most diverse immigrant population, the U.S. is a vibrant tapestry woven by contributions from all corners of the globe. This diversity enriches every aspect of American life. The United States has hosted the Olympic Games more than any other country, showcasing its spirit of sportsmanship and international cooperation. Hosting the Olympics brings infrastructure improvements and economic boosts. Well, there you have it, folks. 50 facts about the USA for a fresh perspective. The US is endlessly fascinating. Until next time, stay curious.